Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal without your PlayStation 5 being fully on. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is set to rest mode, not completely powered down. This allows it to stay connected to the internet and respond to remote commands. Next, enable the Remote Play feature within your PlayStation 5 system settings. Finally, download the official PlayStation Remote Play application onto your computer, phone, or tablet. Once the Remote Play app is installed, open it on your device. You will need to sign in using your PlayStation Network account, the same one linked to your PlayStation 5. After signing in, the app will search for your console. Select your PlayStation 5 from the list to establish a connection. This process usually takes only a few moments to complete. To play Portal, you'll need to connect your DualSense controller to your Remote Play device. You can do this using a USB cable for a direct, reliable connection or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once paired, your controller will seamlessly control your PlayStation 5, allowing you to navigate menus and play Portal as if you were right in front of your console. Enjoy the full gaming experience. For the best Portal experience, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. A wired connection for your PlayStation 5 is ideal, and connecting your Remote Play device to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network can significantly reduce latency. If you encounter any lag, try adjusting the video quality settings within the Remote Play application to a lower resolution. This helps maintain smooth gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.